Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So one of the questions I get asked quite frequently on this channel, and it surprises the heck out of me, to be honest with you, but it really shouldn't, is where did I get this Coglins all-weather waterproof wallet? And to answer that question, I did end up picking it up at a local camping supply store, and I picked it up just for a few dollars, and for whatever reason I gravitated towards it and didn't really think it was going to be much of anything, but you all seem to really love it. I did end up in a couple videos linking this to a affiliate link on Amazon, and you all purchased it 46 times, and that's crazy to me, but I'm glad you all like it. But unfortunately, recently a viewer reached out and said, hey, Amazon is out of stock, do you know where else I can find this? And that kind of led me down a rabbit hole. First calling Coglins, asking when they're going to restock this, and they said, sorry, it's discontinued. We're not going to restock it on our store. So I did end up purchasing a few items that just weren't comparable. They were kind of not great, to put it nicely, but I did end up finding a perfect replacement for this. But let's take a look at it real quick before we get into those items. And as you can see, we have a outside quick access pocket, and we also have two zip closure pockets. And as you can see, I have a razor blade and some band-aids and some medications in here. Medication here, and there's some anti-diarrhea and acetaminophen, as well as some cordage and some tape. And it folds nice and neat and goes into the Max Edition pouch there. Again, with that rabbit hole, I did end up one of the closest items that I could find to it is finding these they're waterproof ID holders, and they're okay, not great, not really something I wanted to tell you guys about, being a good replacement for that waterproof wallet. And I picked up 10 of them for maybe $10. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with all these, but I have them. So after purchasing that and a couple other items, I ended up finding the perfect replacement. And well, here we are. I have those and I'm stuck with them. But now I have the White Mountain watertight wallet. Protects licenses, cards, and other valuables. Zip closures. Weighs 0.9 ounces. Made in China. And everything for outdoors. I do believe this is from a drop shipper, because the website or the Amazon listing shows that there's only one available, and I purchased one and that number did not change, so I purchased a second one, and again that number did not change. Now I see that there is more available, but unfortunately, since I purchased these two, the price has gone up just a hair. They were originally $5 and change. Now they are $8 and change. But that's where we're at. So I'll put that there, and let's take a look at it. Some subtle differences. It's more opaque plastic, whereas this is clear, and we do have the Liberty Mountain logo there, and it's not as easily foldable, but maybe with a little time and folding it, it will work itself in. But we do have that outside quick access pocket, and one thing I do notice that this plastic's a little more malleable, where this is a little stiffer, which I'm not quite sure what is better, but I feel like the more malleable is better. And then we have the two zip enclosure pockets. So I was kind of bummed when the viewer reached out and said, hey, the Coglins are out of stock. Do you have any alternatives? And I really didn't at the time. But I'm kind of excited I was able to find a perfect replacement. I was never expecting that this was going to be such a hit, and I would make a standalone video on this particularly. But I was glad I was able to find a replacement for everyone to take a look at and go crazy with. So this is the Liberty Mountain watertight wallet, and you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave the affiliate link down in the description, and go crazy. So as always, I greatly appreciate everyone stopping in. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.